In our previous class, we had seen how to make use of welcome page template and use the search slot and search for the records in the table component over here. So what we had done is we had straight away dragged and dropped this get many, that is from the data sources available in the business object, and it has created manually the SDP, the table component. It has configured the table columns over here. But in this class, we will try to manually do the same. Now what we will do is we will right click over here and I will delete this. Click on delete. It will tell that there is an SDP attached with this table component. Do you want to delete that as well? I will tell delete. So it will delete the table component from here as well as the SDP it has created. Now we will create the table component from scratch. That is by searching the table component in the components palette. It will be under collections. Let me just drag and drop it over here, or else we can just drag and drop in the structure as well. So it will drop the table component over here. So by default, everything will be empty. That is in the general data, events, so and so forth thing. But if you go to quick start, by clicking on this add data, Oracle will create again the variables on its own. That is by just few clicks, we can populate the table data using the business object. Now I will just show how we can do that. Just select this table, go to the quick start, click on add data. Next, it will ask which business object we have to use. I will tell employee business object. Click on next. Here I will tell I want in the table ID, I want the name, I want the age and the department. And the primary key, whatever is the unique, you can provide over here. Click on next. So one more method, whatever is available in the search slot, we can provide it over here as well. That is in the filter criteria. Suppose if you click on this filter criterion, we can pass what user will be entering in the search slot over here as well. No need to go to the SDP variable and do from there. Just click on this add condition. Here click on the attribute. We have to tell we want to filter based on ID, which is equal to our search parameter value. So it will be over here. So this is the parameter which we created in our previous class. Click on finish. So as soon as we create, our table component will be created based on the selection. It is showing the ID, name, age and the department. Now if you look at the data, so this is getting populated from this employee list SDP. So now Oracle has created on its own, that is the employee list SDP. Coming to the filter criterion, now at the time of drag and drop only we had defined this filter criterion. So it is taking care over here. Now let us switch over to the page designer and go to the live mode and give one and tab out. So we can see our table data getting reflected over here. Just remove this or refresh this page. You will see all the data present in the business object. Now this is one of the way how we can populate the data. Suppose if you want to create a new record. Now there is one more API over here, like we see in the Fusion APIs for any of the module. We will have create, that is to post the data, which will create the new record. Now Oracle will take care of those things automatically. We have to select just the table component and go to the quick start, click on this add create page. And we have to drop what information we want from the user. We will tell name, we will tell age, we will tell ID we want. Rest other fields will be populated by Oracle. Also we will tell we want department. Now it will create a new page, that is with the title create employee, and this will be the page name. Let me click on this finish. Done. Now if you look at over here, it has created a new button. We have to just click on this create employee. It will navigate to a new page which Oracle has created, that is over here. It has created a new page what we had seen at the time of creation. Now if you want to change the template, it will not be a redwood page. We can just select the template and click on that page. So it will reflect. But at the time of recording this class, when we select any template, so whatever and all information it was carrying the web page earlier, it will be wiped off. So we will not go for that. Just undo the changes. Let me switch over to the live mode. Give the name as Rahul, age as 15 and department. So LOV thing, it will take care on its own by looking at if there is any relationship between the business objects. So we don't have to take care explicitly. Just select that. ID, it will be grayed out because this will be generated by Oracle. Once done, click on save. The information will be saved and the data what we entered, it will be visible over here. Similarly, we can go to the quick start and we can add edit page as well. So just click on this add edit page and we can choose what information user can edit. I will tell only age a user can edit. Click on finish. Now switch over to the live mode. By default, this will be grayed out. Now if I select on any of the row, this will be enabled. So I am editing the age of Usman. Click on edit. So it will be navigating to the new page. So as soon as we make use of these quick start operations, that is to create the data, update the data, it will create a new page over here as you see. I will tell I want Usman's age to be reflected as 20. Click on save. Now here if you see, Usman's age got changed to 20. Similar like that, if you want to delete the employee, we can just select this delete and we can select this employee. Click on finish. As soon as you select this option, that is to delete the employee record, we will see one more button got added over here. So what we will do is we will delete the last created record, that is Rahul. Click on delete. So it will delete the data. So this is how we can seamlessly create our web application and interact with the data available in the business object, and we can create, update, delete the information. One more thing is left is detail page. Suppose apart from age department, we want to get other details as well, like created date, updated date, so and so forth things. That also we can do. We can just select this add detail page over here, and we have to select what we want to show the information. I will tell I want to show ID, name, and also last updated date by created date, so and so forth things. Click on finish. Now if you see, we are getting this one more button over here to get the more details. Now in this table, we can show only limited information, but as soon as the user clicks on one of the row, this button will be enabled, clicking on which we will be navigated to the new page which Oracle creates. So every time we create any action with the help of quick start, it will create the new page over here. If you see, now if we just scroll down, we will see all the information what we are not seeing in the table. So like this, we can build our applications very quickly. So this information will be very useful if you are a beginner. So you can have a look at what Oracle has done on click of this button. If you look at this event and all, so you can dive deep into this and you see how Oracle is passing the data when user clicks on the table row over here. So we will see in detail, like when the user clicks on this one of the row, how this table buttons are getting enabled in our coming classes.